4th of July, baby. You don't kick us out of your parking lot because we ain't spending money there. Fuck that. This is 4th of July.
4th of July it is. 4th of July 2017.
Yeah. Okay.
Be full service, brother. Thanks, man.
See, aren't you glad we did this though, Merrill, man? It's fucking cool, man. I'm fucking glad we're here. We got a nice spot too, man. Nice spot, dude. Do a fist bump?
Yeah.
I did alright.
Do it the way Ruby likes to do it.
You know? Dude.
Explosions.
Hey, it's Ray. Man.
Barely see. That one looks better than those.
Dude, this is the fucking view right here, dude. We got a good fucking view.
I can't believe nobody knows about this spot.
This is
Are
a
you kidding
fucking
me?
excellent spot, man.
We got the secret spot here, and it's right there. Why go deal with all that hoopla over by the stadium?
I know. No
It's all
traffic.
here.
Get in and out real quick, you know what I'm saying, man?
We got the killer spot. All right, 2 minutes. That's good.